GM guys, hello our wonderful viewers. Welcome to another SMC channel, SMC tutorial video. In today's video tutorial, we will be guiding you on how to claim your Qbit allocation, airdrop allocation. However, before starting, if you find our videos tutorial helpful, please do support our channel by purchasing our educational token, WikiCat, built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be added in the description below. Thank you very much. Now, I guess most of you might be asking, what is Qbit? Well, let me give a brief reply to that. Qbit is a hybrid project, SPL 404 tech, with AI-driven Qbit token to revolutionize how we interact with digital assets, combining the explosive popularity of AI memes and social farming into a single innovative platform on the Solana chain. Most of you all participated in the Qbit airdrop, whereas you have to claim tasks for them on your websites. I know most of you might have also linked in your wallet, connected your wallet. Now today we will be showing you on how to claim your airdrops. Now firstly, all you have to do is download your Phantom, which is the wallet you submitted to the airdrop. You click on your Phantom, open up the Phantom wallet, and when you open it up, go to the last button on the bottom right side, which looks like the network. Click on it. Now when it says search or type URL, you search for claim.qbit.xyz. claim.qbit.xyz. We have searched it in our recent search. Click on it. Now you can see at the top button, this is the address which was added to our allocation. This is the amount of qubits you want to claim, which is 22,082,500. This is the gas fees, which is 0.009 Solana. And below it, you can see your claim. Yes, they say the LP contribution, $1. We will match the money raised. This is just telling you how the money will be shared. Now you click on the claim button. Now you let it load for a little while. Now it says confirm your transaction. The network fee is going to be 0.00067 Solana. Make sure you have at least $1 worth of Solana in case you're on the safer side. I click on confirm. Now you can see beneath it, it said Solana blockchain will time out after 60 seconds, depending on the network congestion. You might need to try multiple times. Recommend priority fee to avoid Solana Chain timeout. If you know you don't have enough time, maybe you are a busy person, you can put in a priority fee here. At least 0.05 Solana will be deducted and you'll be able to claim your Solana very, very fast, because the Solana's network is always congested and it might be moving slow in order to claim your Qbit, because a lot of people are also claiming, so the network will be congested and slow. You can see it is still loading, but if you add in your priority fee, you can just add any amount. It will be faster, very, very fast and easy. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please do not forget to purchase our educational token, Wiki Cat, and also follow, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. We would love to see you next time.